JDCap 26 here. We just do the repair and tips, and we just poured some Ecoflex 10 into these molds, and we want to try to use them as a mold. And we measured 1-to-1 by volume, not by weight. By volume is not using the scale. So afterwards, we're going to demold these and see how flexible they are. There's nothing really on YouTube showing it used as in a mold. So I want to show you that. So keep watching. Here we are with the Ecoflex 10, and make sure after you mix this, you degas it and get all the air bubbles out. This is a very fleshy mold, meaning that it's very takes high detail. Okay, it can be used to make molds. It has to dry a little bit more, and very spongy. It's more like a short value of 9 instead of 10 like they say in the book, but it will make a mold. Okay, so I wanted to show you this, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching. Any questions, please post below, and please share my videos. Thank you. Have a great day.